Beau Belga is a Filipino professional basketball player. He was born on November 30, 1986 in Gubat, Philippines. Belga is the eldest among the three siblings. His father was a family driver while his mother was a housewife. At a young age, he helped his grandmother sell balut, penoy, and other goods. He finished his high school education in Sorsogon. As a kid, he was very thin and was often bullied. As a way of escape, he focused his attention on basketball. On December 14, 2023, Belga signed a one-year contract extension with the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. He was the 7th overall draft pick by Pure Foods in 2008 before being traded to Burger King. He found his niche as a basketball player while playing for coach Young Guiao's Rain or Shine Elasto Painters, where he was known as one of the league's toughest players. While with Rain or Shine, he also became teammates with J.R. Cunahan, and together they formed a duo in the low block called the Extra Rice Inc. Owing to their weight and huge appetite. He decided to go to Manila and study at Philippine Christian University. He was recruited to play for the PCU Dolphins by the school's swimming coach while he was playing billiards with his friends. While at PCU, he along with future PBA stars Gabby Espenas and Jason Castro helped the team win its first ever NCAA title against host school University of Perpetual Help Altas in 2004.